to make. Shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be fucking buried in my grave, 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless. Oh yeah, I rap with the soul. I have a sense of urgency, a message for eternity, for everyone eternally. Some people burden me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one that quit. Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick work you, turn you to an enemy. You're so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy.
Double kill.
Bitch, put up 10 pieces.
I don't give a fuck what you say. Do shit my way. No kickbacks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
Triple kill. Quadra kill.
Changed, man, all your music and arrangement. You don't know shit, shut your mouth, you can save it. I'm the same dude that guys come up from